Hey, what's going on? This is Sarah Lee Day and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. For today's tidbit, we're going to be talking about users. Now there are different levels of users, which we'll see in just a minute, but each one of them will have different functions within your account. And to add users, we're going to do that in the gear icon, which is what we've been talking about lately. So let's go take a look. From your dashboard, again, you're going to come up here to the top and click the gear icon. Then on the left, you're going to click multi-users. So this is where you're going to find all the information about your users. On a paid account, the first 3 users are free, and then after that, it just depends on how many users you add, and that'll increase your monthly subscription depending on that number of users. To invite a user, click on Invite New Users. Now, if you remember, we're doing this on our trial account, so we actually cannot add any team members until we upgrade to a paid account. So I have pulled up my account over here to show what this actually looks like. So in a paid account, you're going to click Invite New Users, and then you're going to type in the email address of the user you want to add. I'm going to add myself here. Then you're going to choose what kind of access you want to give that user. So basic access, you can actually assign specific jobs to team members who have basic access. And you can control the visibility settings. So can they see the contracts? Can they see the invoices? Can they see your templates? You can check and uncheck these things just depending on the kind of access that you want to give a basic user. Next we have accountant user, and this is something that you would give to a bookkeeper or an accountant, someone who's helping you manage your finances. And giving them this kind of access will only allow them to see your financial information and nothing else. They won't see clients, they won't see contracts, they won't see anything other than the financial information that they need access to. Now finally, there's the admin access, and that gives the user access to everything within your brand. This is the kind of access that, for example, my customers would need to give me in order for me to help them build out templates or create workflows or do an account audit. This is the kind of access that I would need in order to do any of the services that I provide for my clients. So once you've decided which kind of access you want to give the new user, you're going to click Save. And now it's going to show pending, and that user will actually receive an email that you have added them to your account, and they'll just have to log in and accept that in order for them to be an active user in the account. Now for larger companies that have a lot of team members, you can actually create teams, and a team would be a group of users who maybe need to be assigned to certain projects or tasks. And you can create that here by setting up a new team. Give it a name, and then select whatever members or users need to be a part of that team. That's it for today's tidbit. For more information about receiving updates, requesting future episodes, or getting help with your own Dubsado account, check out the links in the description of this video or visit sarahleeday.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.